Ma'am, please show me your passport.
My passport? Why? Did I do something wrong? Wait, my passport is not here.
Please stay calm. We need to find it. Ma'am, please don't touch that bag.
Why? What is inside it?
Sorry, Maya, please step back. This bag is not yours.
Not mine? Then whose bag is it?
Today is my first day in Chicago. I am very excited to see this beautiful city. Hello, I am going to Navy Pier, please. This is my first time in Chicago. I do not know this road. I think we are going the wrong way. Oh no. Why did we stop here? I do not know this place. Excuse me, can I charge my phone here, please? My battery is almost dead.
Can I use a charger, please? My phone has almost no battery. No signal. Try resetting it. Excuse me. I found this bag under my table. Is it yours? Is this your bag? I found it under my table. Hello, I am Maya. I am safe, but I need some help, please.
Welcome to the hotel.
Thank you for coming. I am very happy to see you.
Thank you for helping me. I really appreciate it. I am finally back at my hotel. What a difficult day.
My room is finally here. Now I can relax and rest.
Today was hard, but tomorrow will be better. I feel much better now. I really needed a shower. I am very hungry. I think I will order dinner. Wow. This looks delicious. I am so hungry.
This dinner is really good. Now I feel happy.
I am very tired. I need a good night's sleep. Good morning. It is a new day. I feel much better now. Today I will have a great day. I am ready to explore.
This breakfast is delicious. I have lots of energy now.
First, I want to see the city. Then, I will visit a famous place. I am ready. Let's see what happens today. Chicago is beautiful. There are so many tall buildings here. Wow. The music is beautiful. I really like it. Thanks so much. Oh no. I think I am lost. Where am I? Excuse me. Can you help me find this place, please?
I found it. This place is amazing. I am so happy. This is beautiful. I want to remember this moment forever.
This is so cute. I want to take it home with me. Oh no. Where is my wallet? I cannot find it. Excuse me. I think I lost my wallet here. Can you help me? Thank you so much. I was really worried about it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I'm glad you found it.
Thank you again. Have a nice day. You too, Maya. Take care. Hi. Is this restaurant open? Yes, it is. Come in. Hello. How many people? Just one, please.
What would you like? I would like a chicken sandwich, please. Here is your chicken sandwich.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Is everything okay? Yes. It was a difficult day, but I am okay now.
Have a good night, Maya.
Thank you. Good night.
Today was hard, but I learned something important. I am safe now. Tomorrow will be a new adventure.
Do you want to know what happened to me the next day? Please subscribe to my channel.